Hi, if you need to hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me show you how. So, for example, let's hide the YouTube. For that, I'm gonna press and hold any free space on the screen, then choose settings, and now we can see the home screen settings. If we scroll a bit, we'll see this tab Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. So simply select it, and now we just need to find YouTube and add it to this hidden apps list. Now tap this Done button. And now you can check that it is disappeared from the home page, and also you won't be able to find it if you use storage bar as well. And to find it you will need to perform the same steps, so just press the screen, go to settings, choose hide and then hide apps, and here remove it from the list of hidden apps and tap the Done button. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you for watching.